You got a late pay? Ouch. No problem. Well, kind of a problem because there's no such thing as a little late pay, first of all. Whether you go late on an account that you only owed $5 on or you go late on your biggest mortgage account, those late pays are going to have basically the same impact. And on some credit, the higher your credit is, the more of an impact it's going to have. So if you have, say, credit in the 700s, you could see one late pay drop your score as much as 60 to 80 points. If you're in the low 600s, that same late pay is probably going to drop your score 20 to 40 points. But there is no such thing as a little late pay, and you can't really take it back unless the company is willing to do a goodwill deletion. Because if you dispute a very accurate recent late pay, it's just going to get verified because they have all the information right in front of them. That being said, they cannot report you as 30 days late unless you are 30 days late. So you should have plenty of time, even if you miss the payment, to catch up on it. If you do add a late payment, my suggestion is to get on the phone with that creditor right away, beg for a courtesy deletion as a one-time get out of jail free card, and see if they'll do it. But I would be giving you false hope and false information if I told you that I have a great likelihood of getting an accurate recent late pay deleted, and any credit repair company that's claiming to be able to do that, run away from because they're feeding you a line.